Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your YouTube account and opening Creator Studio. Make sure your channel is eligible and monetization is active. Next, link Google Merchant Center so your product feed is available. If you don't have a feed, add products manually using clear titles, prices, and images. Once done, enable the shopping integrations in YouTube settings. This connects videos and your storefront. You're now ready to add product shelves and tag items in content. You should open the video you want to monetize and go to the product tagging panel in Studio. This is where you connect products to timestamps. Then pick items from your linked Merchant Center catalog or create custom product cards with accurate price info and images, because buyers notice detail. Place tags at the exact moments where the product appears, and write a short, persuasive CTA so viewers know what to expect when they click. This improves clicks and conversions. After tagging, publish your video and immediately monitor commerce and analytics metrics to see impressions, CTR, and conversions. You'll learn which products perform. Then optimize. Tweak titles, thumbnails, and tag placement to boost engagement, and consider featured product shelves on your channel home. If tags don't appear, check the Merchant Center link, product feed approval status, and policy compliance. Many issues come from disapproved items or mismatched.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.